We, I think we're good now. I don't know what's going on with my camera, but hi guys, welcome back. Today's gonna be the last and final Valentine's Day tutorial. I kind of look washed out, but we're gonna fix it later real quick on my computer. So we're good. Okay, so we're gonna do what I had on earlier yesterday before work, and I'm gonna try to fix it later. This is good. Okay, I think this is good. I have you guys on the edge of my makeup table, so hopefully we don't tilt. Maybe well, I have an idea. So we don't tilt. I'm gonna pull that out more. I don't want us to tilt at all, so I pulled you guys a little bit closer, even though the stuff I use is right behind us. Mainly, the palette we're using is this. So basically, we're using three high ends. We're using my Naked, my Modern, and my Mattes palette. So I'm zooming in closer, and I really do want to cover up the acne because it's like bye. I don't know if I like this lighting. I hate this lighting. I hate filming on my computer. I prefer it on my phone, but my phone's dead. But we're gonna try to get through this somehow. Like I'm like in the middle of making chicken noodle soup downstairs, and I already totally messed up my soup already. It's gonna be hard to do this because I have my mirror here, and you guys right here. So we're priming my eyes with concealer, which is funny because like I don't have a primer. And I like their primer, it's just I don't have it anymore. So now I need a new primer from them. I take this beauty blender from it, my Real Techniques, and blot my eye. Because I don't want to use a finger. Okay, my eyes are good. To be honest, I want to cover up the acne as bad as I want to. So I may have concealer. I'm just gonna do this real quick because this is what's gonna bug me. All the acne. So I just applied my concealer, but this is enough full size this time. I'm just gonna blot my face. I was just trying to get rid of this one because you can see it. And I'm trying to block the stuffed animals. Okay. We're gonna start with the eyes. I know I'm looking at the mirror because you guys are right over here today and not here, like you guys normally are. It's just my phone's dead. So I have my phone on my bed, charging away. But let's get in. Okay. What's the brush I normally use? I'm looking for this whole time. Okay. We're gonna start here for 1 second. I am going to take my Wet n Wild brush and I'm using the shade Virgin just to set. What the freak is going on up there? My eyes. Like, I just did cry because I had to cut an onion for my soup, and that was like the nightmare. Oh my god. Like, look at this. I have not even hit pan yet, but you'll see how much I hit on this one. You ready? Can you see where I hit pan, guys? Look, we got hit. It's my favorite shade, so I'm like. But we're going to take red ochre and get her right in the outer corner. You need to see more on the side. But I think I need to fix this lighting again. Let's see if the lighting's any better. Okay, I think we're better. Just I need to move my little mirror over. Damn it. Oh, I hate the setup. Okay, I think we're good. It's just yours are on edge again. So at least. Alright, can you guys see my eye? So I'm running the shade on the edge of the tape because that's the shadow we're going to work with. And then I'm going to flicker in. Flicker in. Now I'm going to take a love letter. Same brush, same motion. So then dab her in. So, and the lighting's so bad, but you guys can see more on this eye, so. Okay. I'm gonna grab this brush and we're gonna shove Beyond Fresco in. Because what I did, I'm gonna remember how I did this tutorial yesterday, but I did not film. I don't remember my phone on me and people are messaging me. Okay. So I'm gonna take a clean brush and we'll blend everything real quick. Let me get my phone. Like everybody's texting me right now, so it's like, okay. Here comes the start of the show. You ready? Are we ready? We're gonna finish this look right now. Distract my phone on me. Okay, so we're taking my fix. I call this Fix Plus, but it's setting spray. We're taking my makeup brush, obviously. We're going to take Primavera and Premier, and we're having this right there. Okay. Clean brush, one every time. Okay, so we're all good. I'm gonna go in closer. Okay. We're going to take my favorite mascara. We all know it. This is my my fourth tube actually. Can't believe I'm on my fourth one already. Like, am I gonna be using this one all the time now? Absolutely. My holy grail. I like this way better than the Too Faced one I have. So honey, I'm doing this tutorial and then I have like an hour left and then I'm going shopping. So it's like, okay, how am I gonna finish my soup when I'm going out? I hear you, Noah. So since this all looks mostly bold and red, computer needs to turn again for another better lighting. Okay. Here's my lip combo. Okay. This is an interesting lip combo, guys. So I take my two Tarte cream paints and it's lipstick from Maybelline. So I'm gonna apply this first, then the lip paint, this again, and then the other thing. So hold on. Okay, so that one down. And now it's in the shade Almond Rose, you know, my favorite lip peep from Maybelline. Then my Tarte one in Namstat. Then my lip gloss from Tarte as well. It's called Abby. And I don't know, this is not even on us, but can you see me better? Wait, this is better if I have this light here. Okay, I think we finished this tutorial, guys. Ready? Okay. And here you have it, guys. This is your last and final V-Day tutorial on my channel. I'm not doing my hair until I'm fully ready. Like, I might do my hair in a bit, but this is the completed tutorial. I'm zooming in closer. This is what I almost wore yesterday, but I kind of did the same thing yesterday to wear to work. Like, I had the same lip combo. Or I didn't. I wore this yesterday and this together, and they're both drugstore, and it's perfect. And then I did wear the Smashbox actually instead to achieve the same look. It's just I use that pink shade. I forgot one last thing: the brow bone. Once you think you're done, and you forgot, oh crap, brow bone and inner corner. Okay. So we are completed, and it's only been it's about to be 2 hours since I cooked my food. Maybe it says like we're gonna check it again. Let's see. That's not the one I'm using. I'm using this is the recipe I'm using, so I gotta go see if it's ready yet. Well, it's only been 2 hours, so I want to see if the chicken's ready. Cause like if the chicken's ready, then I could re-add the noodles. Cause basically what happened was I totally misread the recipe, and I added every single thing. Like I added the oil, I added chicken broth, I added the water late, I added the chicken bouillon. I don't know how to pronounce it. And then I added the noodles, and I'm like, I did this wrong. So soggy noodles at the moment. So hopefully my soup turns out okay, but we'll see. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this last Valentine's Day tutorial. If you did, give this video a like, comment, subscribe, and I'm going to start changing my intro, and I forgot to, so I'm going to film another video, but I'm keeping the lip. It's just I'm going to do something to the face. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. Bye guys.